Meaning of garden variety.
Garden variety.
Garden variety.
Garden variety.
Garden variety. Garden variety is a phrase used to describe something that is commonplace or ordinary. It is often used to refer to things that are considered to be run-of-the-mill or unremarkable, such as a garden variety cold or a garden variety crime. The phrase is derived from the idea of a garden filled with a variety of common plants. When something is referred to as garden variety, it suggests that there is nothing particularly special or unique about it. Essentially, the phrase is used to convey a sense of average or standard quality.